Another street snack that makes me cry. For the meat filling, I used pork shank. There are conditions at home. You can add some pork belly and chop it together. The detailed recipe is on the screen. There must be more chopped green onions. Mix evenly. Pre-steamed glutinous rice. Pour in diced vegetables for simple seasoning. Grab and mix evenly in the same way. Like making glutinous rice balls, wrap the salted egg yolk in the middle. Then evenly cover the surface with a layer of meat filling. A little oil in the pan. Fry slowly over low heat. Fry until it is set and then leave to rise. Every aspect must be taken care of. Fry until slightly browned. No drinks today. Let's make a little dessert. The ratio of sugar to water is 2:1. Once the sugar melts, stop stirring. Cook on low heat for 7 minutes. I don't have such a mold at home. You can also use a paper cup to cut them out. The key to success is speed. But be gentle. You see, ordinary strawberries have become high-end. The meatball rice is also fried. I'll cut one open and show it to you. Very meat. In the middle of the soft and glutinous rice is slightly quick sandy salted egg yolk. There is also a slightly burnt meaty feeling on the outermost inner side. No wonder it's overflowing with salty aroma. Come and make it for the one you love.